Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Crazy Tech Reviews. In today's video, as you can see, we have something new on the bench. This is my Macintosh LC, and actually, funny enough, I actually lost all the A-roll footage to this, so technically this box has already been opened at this point, and I'm just sitting it here to do this intro real quick. But anyway, with that said, I thankfully still have enough footage that I should be able to do this video. So with that said, let's go ahead and skip to the unboxing, which obviously already happened. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so here is the box. It's pretty generic. There's going to be some kind of reused box. Before you sign for this to whatever the hell, I don't know. Well, knife shall be acquired. I'm going to double check and make sure everything's recording first, because I have been known to not record things that are very important, and it's always when something is very important that the camera decides to go out. So, whoa, let's cut through the seal already. I can't wait any longer. Okay. It's not really a very significant machine, but it's one that I really like the look of and I've been wanting for so long, so let's do this. Oh. Come on. There we go. Ooh, okay, I see packing. Suspense. Oh, man. Okay, so this appears to just be a bunch of packing materials. So let's go ahead and remove these. I feel weight. There's nothing in there. Alright, it's getting... Oh, there it is! There it is! Oh my god, it's right there. Dude, that is so cool. Alright, well, let's go ahead and lift it out of its plastic case. Oh god, it's heavy. It's heavy. Okay, that's everything, so this is empty. Here's the computer. Doesn't appear to be in too bad a cosmetic condition, so that's good. Yeah, I don't think it sustained too much shipping damage. Oh, man. Here's the LC. Look at that thing. That is so 90s Apple. Okay, well, so it arrived. It's very dirty, but it's not in too bad a condition overall. The real telltale sign of its condition is going to be inside. There does not appear to be a screw, so I believe this just lifts right off like that. And holy crap, sure enough. So I do not see any real battery leakage. Here's the inside of the case here. Looks nice and crisp. There is some capacitor leakage, but that was expected. Here's the floppy drive. This should just unclip like this. And then like this. Uh-oh. So there's that. Go ahead and pull up this fan and speaker assembly. So that just comes out something like this. The fan appears to be made by Canon, so that's kind of interesting. Good old quantum hard drive. Oh, you come. Of course, I will be doing a full restoration episode, most likely on this computer, so you will be seeing more of this in the future. One thing I'm going to go ahead and do is quickly take out this PRAM battery before it starts leaking. It doesn't appear to be leaking already, but I am going to remove this just to be safe. So yeah, that is the unboxing of my brand new Macintosh LC. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and with that said, if you did, please definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And with that said, I will be doing the full restoration, hopefully, of this computer and be testing it out. So that said, I'd like to thank you guys all for watching this video, and I will see you guys all next time.